Want to supercharge your Kick streams and make it rain with support from your awesome community using Cash App? Alright, let's dive right in. First, head over to Kick.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile icon located in the top right-hand corner of the screen to access the drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll find a bunch of options. You want to select Creator Dashboard. This is your hub for managing everything related to your Kick channel. Now, on the left-hand side of the Creator Dashboard, scroll down and find Affiliate Settings. Click on that and you will see Payment Method. Click on Payment Method to proceed. Here comes the easy part. You'll find a field where you can paste your Cash App Cashtag. Your Cashtag is that unique name that people use to send you money on Cash App. Simply copy your Cashtag from the Cash App, paste it into this field, and then hit the Save button. Finally, promote your Cash App Cashtag on your stream. Add it to your overlay, mention it during your broadcasts, and let your viewers know that they can now support you directly through Cash App. Now go get that bag.